Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to adjust placement of your MARSHALL WOBURN III speaker in the application for the best sound quality. So, here we have our application, which is the MARSHALL Bluetooth, and now we have to scroll down till we see placement compensation. We have to tap that, and now here we have some quick survey. Is the speaker close to an edge? If it is, we have to tap yes. Mine is, so I will have the option yes. Now we have to scroll down, and here we have the front of the speaker is flush to the edge of a table or shelf. Is the speaker close to wall? No. Freestanding? Yes, a wall, yes, a corner. Here I do have the no freestanding, and here, as you can see, speaker automatically detected itself. There is no wall closer than 20 centimeters, 9 inches. We can adjust, of course, these options, but our speaker detects it automatically. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day.